Join me as I dive into the crazy idea that we all have stardust inside us. Let's find out how true it really is. The concept of stardust is a fascinating one, and it's a phenomenon that has sparked human curiosity for centuries. The idea that we're made from the same materials as the stars is not only mind-blowing, but it's also a profound reminder of our connection to the universe. We often think of ourselves as separate from the universe, as if we're just tiny beings floating on a small blue planet. But what if I told you that this perspective is completely flipped on its head? What if our very existence is inextricably linked to the cosmos, and that we're not just separate entities but an integral part of the universe itself? We tend to view the universe as this vast, unknowable expanse that's separate from our daily lives. We gaze up at the stars, mesmerized by their beauty, but rarely do we stop to think about the fact that those same stars are responsible for creating the very building blocks of our existence. It's a mind-boggling concept, and one that challenges our understanding of our place in the universe. But despite this seemingly insurmountable connection, we still struggle to wrap our heads around the idea that we're not just isolated beings. We're conditioned to think of ourselves as separate entities, distinct from the natural world, and it's hard to shake off the feeling that we're not just a small part of something much bigger. The truth, however, is that our existence is inextricably linked to the stars. The elements that make up our bodies, the air we breathe, the food we eat, it all originated from the stars. And it's not just a vague connection, it's a direct cosmic link that binds us to the universe in a way that's both profound and humbling. So how does this cosmic connection work? The answer lies in the science behind stardust. You see, stars are massive balls of hot, glowing gas, and as they live and die, they create the elements that make up our universe. These elements are forged in the hearts of stars, where temperatures and pressures are so extreme that they create the building blocks of life. As stars die and explode, they scatter these elements across the universe, where they're eventually incorporated into new stars, planets, and galaxies. And on our planet, these elements are incorporated into our bodies, making us quite literally stardust. The process is incredibly complex, with elements being forged and reused in a cosmic cycle that's been ongoing for billions of years. It's a mind-boggling concept, and one that challenges our understanding of our place in the universe. But it's also a profoundly beautiful one, because it reveals the deep connection that exists between us and the stars. Every atom in our body has a cosmic origin, and that's a staggering thought. The oxygen we breathe, the carbon in our cells, the iron in our blood, it all originated from the stars. It's a connection that's both humbling and exhilarating, and it's one that forces us to reevaluate our place in the universe. The realization that we're made from stardust is a powerful one, because it reveals the profound connection that exists between us and the universe. We're not just separate entities, we're part of a larger cosmic story, one that's been unfolding for billions of years. As we gaze up at the stars, we're not just looking at distant balls of hot, glowing gas, we're looking at our own cosmic heritage. We're gazing at the very materials that make up our bodies, and we're reminded of the deep connection that exists between us and the universe. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of stardust. What do you think about this cosmic connection? Do you find it as mind-blowing as I do? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to tune in next time when we'll be exploring more wonders of the universe.